Because it comes down to this: what the job is, how to do it, how well it should be done, more importantly, by when. That's what we want done. We want to impose our will without being here. That's how the chain managers operate without owners in them. Their managers in every single location know exactly what their job is, how to do it, how well it should be done, more importantly, by when. And the foundation to all those systems are checklists. We need them. We need them in our restaurant, because here's the deal. If I set up my checklist so detailed and clear that there's no guesswork, my managers will execute a shift the way I want it done, as if I were there, and especially if I'm not there. I know I can rest assured that my restaurant is being run my way, to my standards. If you want to learn more restaurant solutions like these and how to get your managers to do the work, sign up for my free 4-part video learning series where I go into all this in more depth. The link is in the description below. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel to get my weekly tips and check out these 2 videos to learn more restaurant solutions.